Good morning. It is Tuesday, May the 9th, and on Saturday I got all six paring knives ready for hand sand. So I will start hand sanding some of those. In between hand sanding, I will bring these three boning knives down to hand sanding as well. So it'll be a lot of hand sanding this week, which is absolutely fine. So just Josh and I in the shop again this week. Daniel is in Peru having an absolutely great time. Elizabeth and the boys are in Seattle, so it is fully just Josh and I in the shop. So come on in, check us out. We're going to be fairly low key, just trying to get stuff done, like getting knives in stock. So here is Josh with what he's got going on.
Hey guys, here's me with what I've got going with what I've got going on. So this is a Kiritsuki slicer that I've been working on. It turned out really well. I'm excited about it. It has a really cool chaotic resin handle and a really nice ferrule. On the topic of ferrules, I got some ferrule material all glued up, and it's looking pretty great. This is from George from Texas Made Tools on Instagram. He's a really cool axe thrower, and he makes some really cool axe handles. I also got the okay from Geo, a really good customer of ours, to start hand sanding this and making it look all pretty. I just need to recess these screws and hardware in the back a little bit, and that's all I've got going on for today, along with some Instagram posts. It is Industry Tuesday, so hopefully we're going to see a lot of industry people today getting their knives sharpened. That's all I've got for today. Nothing in the showroom. Thank you all for tuning in, and comment and subscribe down below. Thanks. Peace.
Good morning. It is Wednesday, May 10th, and I got all three of the boning knives to hand sanding. So I have these three boning knives to hand sand, as well as I think I still have three paring knives. I got three done, three more to do. So I will be hand sanding and sharpening all day long, basically. So super excited about that. Gonna get 9 knives in stock between today and tomorrow. Very exciting. So really, that's my day. Here's Josh with what he's got going on.
Hey guys, so today I have done some work on this Hog Splitter. I'm going to take it up the grits today, buff this flat, and make it kind of like there's carving underneath here that you saw earlier from I think 2 weeks ago, a week ago. So I'm going to be revealing that carving on this knife, and I'll be trying to get a handle on it within the next month. We need Trevor. He's a good friend of ours. He's gonna weld that handle on for us. I'm also finishing this modified Alex handle up today. Right here is the MagnaCut blade that's going to be in the knife. It's going to be handled just like that. So I'll get that done today, and we do have 2 new knives in the showroom. We will walk on over to the EDC showroom, and these 2 knives are 2 paring knives, 1 large and 1 small. They are handled in blue and red Juma with a shiny finish. I really like how this Juma pops. Usually it's an accent piece, but today it is looking really great just on a large handle like this. That's all we've got for today. We will see you tomorrow. Peace.
Good morning. It's Thursday, May 11th, and what I will be starting my day with is getting these 2 paring knives up the last couple grits and polish them, and then I've got handle material already picked out, so I'll get them drilled and at least get them cleaned up so they're ready to glue together. I then will either start on getting other things ready to glue, grind lines and such, or I'll grab the MagnaCut and start planning out our next batch of MagnaCut. A little undecided on what I'll do with the rest of the day. So really, that's it for me. I'll figure out what's going on and see what I choose to work on. Otherwise, here's some very interesting updates from Josh.
Hey guys, so I have some really cool stuff to show you. I am working on that Hog Splitter that I've shown you in the passed, and this is the handle for it. Right now I am trying to slot this D2 dowel into this handle just so I can get it prepped for filming, prepped for welding at Trevor's, and that will be in the next month or so. So that's some pretty exciting stuff. That's all I have going on today. This dowel is going to kick my ass, so that and putting quite a few knives in stock that you will see over the next few days. That's all I've got going on. We're going to head on into the showroom right over here, and I'm going to So we have 2 new knives in stock, or that are going to be in stock. This one is about to be in stock. This is the Eli small paring knife with a resin handle and aluminum hexagonal kind of fitments in there to get a really cool pattern with a shiny finish. And the next one is going to be maple box elder burl that's dyed with a acid wash finish. Kind of looks like planets in the night sky and such, with a mosaic pin right here. That's a very
not focusing.
No.
Oh well, there's a mosaic pin there.
Yeah, there's a mosaic pin there. And that's all I've got going on for today. And
we'll have more tomorrow.
Yeah, we will have more tomorrow.
Till then.
Till then.
Good morning, it's Friday, May 12th, and today I will be doing some acid etches. So just a little creative something on those 2 paring knives, and then on the American Heritage Utility, and on another little Kiritsuki, Hanasuki. I will figure out acid etches to do on those as well. So I'll be doing the acid etches later on. I'll let the paint dry and cure just a little bit more so I can get that nice etch on it. Otherwise, I will be grabbing some, I started working on a couple other Hanasukis and Euro Chef yesterday, so I will continue on those as well and see how far I can get to grinding on them. That's it for me. Here's some updates from Josh.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be gluing this handle up. You might recognize the shape because, whoopsie, because it is the same shape of knife as this MagnaCut Hunter. So I'm going to get this one up to the stage that this knife is at, and hopefully we'll have tons of customers today. Also helping with the Benchmade cabinet, rearranging, and showroom jazz. That's all I've got going on today, and I'm also sending a few packages out. So let's go in the showroom. We do have a few handmade knives. There's a glimpse of the new showroom on its way. All right. So we have 2 boning knives out of the 3 that we showed earlier. This one is a deep boning knife with AAO. I like to call it like wine Cabernet resin with maple burl, and that's going to be a deep boning knife with a shiny finish. There is a little bit of schmutz right here, but that's
just wax.
Yeah, it comes off. It is still shiny. And we have the traditional boning knife with a double dyed box elder burl with, again, shiny finish to match, with nice purple and blue pins, and again, just schmutz. That's all I've got going on in the showroom. We're going to have a lot more handmades for you in the next few days. Peace.
Good morning, it's Saturday, May 13th, and today I will be polishing the fronts of these handles for the American Heritage, and then the 3 paring knives. So I have them to where they need to be. Got everything mostly shaped yesterday, so I'll just polish the fronts of these 4 and get them glued up, and then I will grab other things to work on. I will not be able to get these shaped or anything. We'll just let them sit for today. So I'll grab those 3 other knives that I didn't work on anymore yesterday and work on those. See if I can get them at least close to needing handles or where I go with those. But otherwise, we'll see what comes in today and see what happens. But we're gonna come in here and talk to Josh about some new knives.
Hey guys, so today we have a slender boning knife with an orange resin and pine cone handle with orange and white G10 pins. And the finish on the blade is going to be a buff forge and shiny finish.
I just wish the sparkles came through the camera. So there's actually a little bit of a glitter or a little bit of shine in that handle, just not coming through. There we go.
Like this one. I love doing the traditional one, the one with the hump on it, but this is just so much more elegant. I love taking that hump off. But hey, it is what it is. Some people like one, some people like the other.
Awesome.
Okay. So that's it for us this week. Thank you for following along with us, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, or comment and subscribe. Daniel does this so much better than I do. We will be back next week, and Daniel will be back, but I'll be out of town. So have a great week. I'll see you in a couple weeks, and you'll see Josh and Daniel next week.
Hi.